I can't open my door. Excuse me, is this the locksmith service?
Yes, this is Jack. How can I help you?
I can't open my door. My key doesn't turn.
Okay, don't worry. Are you outside your home right now?
Yes, I'm standing outside my apartment.
I understand. Can you tell me your address?
Yes, it's 24 Green Street, apartment 5B.
Thank you. What time did this happen?
About 20 minutes ago.
Okay, is the key stuck in the lock or does it not go in at all?
It goes in, but it doesn't turn.
That's a common problem. Sometimes the lock is old or dirty.
Oh no. Is it serious?
Not usually. I can come and check it for you.
What information do you need from me?
Just tell me what kind of lock it is, if you know.
I think it's a simple round lock. Nothing special.
Okay, that's helpful. I'll bring the right tools.
How long will you take?
I can be there in about 30 minutes.
That's good. How much does it cost?
For a normal visit, it's $40.
And if it's urgent?
For an emergency call, it's $60.
Okay, this is urgent. I need to get inside soon.
No problem. I'll come now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Hi, Jack. It's me again. Just checking if you're on your way.
Yes, I just left. Traffic is a little heavy today.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait.
I should still arrive in about 20 minutes.
That's fine, thank you. Hello? Are you near my building?
Yes, I'm here, but I don't see apartment 5B.
What? That's strange.
I'm at 24 Green Street, but this is a small house, not an apartment building.
Oh no, I think I gave you the wrong address.
Don't worry. What's the correct address?
It's actually 42 Green Street, not 24.
Ah, I understand now. I'll drive there right away.
I'm sorry for the confusion.
It's okay. These things happen. Hi, are you Mali?
Yes, that's me. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Let me look at the lock.
Okay, here it is.
Let me try the key.
Can you open it?
Wait a moment. No, it's not turning.
What's wrong with it?
I think a small piece of the key is broken inside the lock.
How did that happen?
Old keys can become weak over time, especially if they're used every day.
I've had this key for 5 years.
That explains it. Metal gets tired just like everything else.
Oh no, really?
Yes, look here. This part is broken.
That's terrible. What can we do?
I have two options for you.
Okay, what are they?
First, I can try to remove the broken piece and fix the lock.
And the second option?
I can replace the whole lock with a new one.
Which one is better?
Fixing the lock is cheaper, but it might break again later.
And the new lock?
A new lock is stronger, but it costs more money.
How much more?
Fixing it is about $20 extra. A new lock is about $50 extra.
That's a big difference.
Yes, but a new lock also comes with 2 new keys.
Let me think.
Take your time.
Actually, this lock is very old. Maybe it's better to change it completely.
That's a smart choice. It will be safer too.
Okay, let's do that. Please install a new lock.
Great. It will take about 15 minutes.
That's fine. I'll wait here.
While I work, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you want a simple key or a key with extra security?
What's the difference?
A simple key is easy to copy. A security key is harder to copy without permission.
I think I want the security key. It sounds safer.
Good choice. It costs $10 more, but it's worth it.
Does the new lock come with a warranty?
Yes, it has a 1-year warranty.
What does that include?
If the lock breaks by itself, I'll fix it for free.
That's reassuring.
Yes, most of my customers feel better knowing that.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, I'm starting now. Almost finished.
It's taking longer than I expected.
Sorry, this lock is a little difficult. Just 2 more minutes.
No problem, take your time.
Okay, done. Let's try the new key.
Does it work?
Yes, listen. The door is open now.
Finally, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here are your 2 new keys.
Great, thank you.
Please try opening and closing the door a few times.
Okay, yes, it works perfectly.
Good. Now, about the payment.
Right, how much do I owe you?
The total is $110.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Sorry, I only accept cash today. My card machine isn't working.
Oh no, I don't have enough cash with me.
Is there an ATM near here?
Yes, there's one at the corner store.
No problem. I can wait for you.
Thank you for understanding. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Take your time. While you're gone, I'll clean up my tools.
Sure, no rush.
The weather is nice today, at least.
Yes, much better than yesterday's rain.
I'm back. Here is the cash.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here you go, $110.
Thank you. Let me give you a receipt.
Oh, that's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Also, here's my phone number, in case you have any problems with the lock.
That's very kind. I appreciate it.
No problem at all.
I'm really glad I called you today.
I'm happy I could help.
This whole day was a bit stressful, but now I feel relieved.
That's understandable. Locked doors are always stressful.
Yes, especially when you don't know why.
Well, now you have a strong new lock and 2 extra keys.
True. I feel much safer now.
Good. And remember, if the new key ever feels stiff, just call me.
Should I put oil on the lock sometimes?
Yes, a little lock oil once a year keeps it working smoothly.
I didn't know that. Thank you for the tip.
No problem. It's a simple thing, but it helps a lot.
I will. Thank you again, Jack.
You're welcome, Molly. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.